Welcome back. You are watching IFFI News. Nidhi Tuli, the director of Saroj Khan, and also actors of Ilar Charadhyay, Vikram Chatterjee, and Paoli Dam walked the red carpet. Our video journalist Prajot Pednekar caught up with them. Here's what they had to say about their experiences in the film and at IFFI 2012.
It's a film on Saroj Khan, who's a legendary choreographer in the Hindi film industry. It kind of traces her journey. Very few people know that she's been in the industry right from the 1950s. So it's really like 50 years or more of being in the film industry, which is a huge thing. It was actually a reality show that I was watching on TV, and she was judging it. I think it was Nach Bali or something way back in 2008. And a couple danced to a song from Madhumati, Chad Gaya Papi Bichua. And she said that जब ये गाना फिल्म आया जा रहा था तो मैं पीछे dancer थी. So that kind of struck a chord, and I thought, my God, that's a 1958 film, and if she was a background dancer then, and today in 2008 she's such a huge choreographer. So I wanted to trace what that journey was.
This Ilar Charodhyay is based on Tagore's last novel, that's Charadhyay. And Ela, the character, the protagonist of the film, Ela was such a character, like she didn't want to get married. She wanted to work for the nation. She wanted to work as a freedom fighter. She wanted to work for the society. And she wanted more education. That what she wanted. She got a tremendous support from her father and from her uncle. And that's the way she started working for the nation. It's a lovely journey for me, and as I said, it's a very challenging and a lot of dimensions to the character. And since it's a Tagorean character, so it's very classical. And I have done this is my first Tagore film which I am playing the Tagore character, and Ela I would say is a rebel.
जो कैरेक्टर मैंने किया है वो एक पोएट का है, उनका नाम है औतिन, और ही इज़ द लव इंटरेस्ट. एला जो सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर है इस फिल्म की, उनका लव इंटरेस्ट औतिन प्ले करते हैं इस फिल्म में. ही इज़ वेरी रिबेलियस, ही इज़ वेरी हाईली एजुकेटेड, वेरी क्लासी. He belongs to a very classy family of those times. This character falls in love with Ela, जो कैरेक्टर पावली दाम जी ने प्ले किया है, और उसके बाद वो डिसीजन लेते हैं कि he'll be a part of the rebellious act for the Indian freedom. पहला कैरेक्टर ज़िंदगी में हमेशा बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट होता है, और मेरा नसीब ऐसा था कि मुझे जो कैरेक्टर मिला उसको बंगाली लिटरेचर का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट और डिफ़िकल्ट कैरेक्टर्स में से एक माना जाता है. बट हमारे जो डायरेक्टर है, जैसे मैंने बोला, मिस्टर बापादित्य बंदोपाध्याय, मेरे जो को एक्टर्स है, स्पेशली पावली, बिकॉज आई वाज ऑपोजिट हर इन द फिल्म, इन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प किया था मुझे. एक डेब्यू के हिसाब से सीधा पहले फिल्म के बाद इफ़ी में आना, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक ए ड्रीम कम ट्रू. मैंने कभी सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था कि मेरा पहला फिल्म इस मुकाम पे आएगा, और मैं उसको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए आज यहाँ पे खड़ा रहूँगा.
Film critic Sachin Chatte recommends certain movies to be watched on day-to-day basis. Our video journalist Tulsidas Chari brings to you the tips of Sachin Chatte for viewing films on Tuesday in IFFI.
On the 7th day of the festival, that's 27th of November, which is a Tuesday, there are plenty of good films to choose from at the ongoing 43rd International Film Festival of India. The first film that I'm going to recommend will be shown in Inox Screen 1. It's called Broken. It's a film from UK, and it's a story about a girl and how she recovers from a violent attack. So make sure you check out this film called Broken, which is being shown on 27th of November, which is a Tuesday. In the Master Strokes section, there is a film by Takeshi Kitano, the well-known Japanese director, who was also once called as a successor to Akira Kurosawa. He made a film called Outrage a couple of years back, and now we have the sequel to that film. It's called Outrage Beyond. Well, this might be a little bit violent, and if you don't like violence, then you should stay away. But if you're open to any kind of a good film, then you might want to check out this film by Takeshi Kitano. It's called Outrage Beyond. There's another film in the Master Stroke section. It comes from Canada, Germany, and the story is a World War II story about a little boy and a little girl. This film is called In Darkness, and it has won a lot of awards around the world in different festivals. So make sure you check out this film called In Darkness, which is in the Master Stroke section and which will be shown on Tuesday, 27th of November. Well, as I said before, there are plenty of films to choose from on Tuesday, 27th of November. There's another film called Kuma, which comes from Australia, directed by Umud Dag, another film that has done very well at festivals around the world. So check out this film called Kuma, which is being shown on Tuesday. A lot is not known about films from Azerbaijan, but this year there's a film at the festival called Buta, and this is again an acclaimed film from Azerbaijan. You might want to watch this film called Buta, which comes from Azerbaijan, which again will be shown on Tuesday, 27th of November. Michael Haneke's latest film Amor is also being screened at the festival. Now, this film won the Palme d'Or at the Cannes Film Festival this year, and most of Michael Haneke's films are definitely or eminently worth a watch. This is a story of an old man and an old woman, and it has been very well received by audiences and critics alike all around the world. So don't miss this film called Amor, directed by Michael Haneke, which will be shown at Kala Academy on 27th of November, which is a Tuesday. Well, I'll be back with you tomorrow with more tips as to which films to watch at the ongoing IFFI.
In a special segment moment of the day, Prajot Pednekar brings to you visuals of Prince Jacob, Goa's popular Konkani language theatrist and singer playing Ghummat at Kingfisher Village on Monday. And before we end this bulletin, we bring to you our video of the day, glittering performance at Kingfisher Village of IFFI. Have a great time. Goodbye.
Basa jura Baba,